Hi everyone, so I'm going to be making our annual mosquito repellent spray, and I thought I would just share a quick video on how to do that for yourself and for your family and friends. So I always start with a 2-ounce bottle. You can make 4 ounces, whatever size, but 2 ounces easy to carry around if you're camping or just around your home. So I do recommend 2 ounces, but 4 ounces would work as well. So, and you want a spray top. So, and I always start by putting the essential oils in first. So here is my formulation. I use 20 drops of patchouli essential oil. And patchouli is known to be a great insect repellent, mosquito repellent. And so 20 drops of patchouli. And what I like about it, because it is a base oil, it helps the spray to last that much longer. So 20 drops, so 20 drops patchouli. And then I do 15 drops of cedar, cedarwood. This is Cedar atlantica. You can also use cedar, Juniperus virginiana works just as well. So 15 drops of cedar. $15 drops of citronella, and you can also use lemongrass or Eucalyptus citriodora, works just as well. And then the last essential oil is geranium. So this is a rose geranium, and I put also 15 drops of rose geranium. So 15 drops rose geranium. Perfect. You can also add peppermint essential oil in there, and that helps to give a sensation of coolness onto the skin. So, you know, you could add in about 10 drops of peppermint if you wanted to. But this is, I'm gonna keep it like this today. And you just kind of give it a good swivel. Smell. Bug spray smells beautiful. I love the patchouli. And then the last step is to add in your water. So this is a 2-ounce bottle, so it's going to be approximately 60 mils of water. Hopefully this will work. Okay. And then you're going to put the lid on. And because we didn't add like a dispersing agent or like soluble, you'll just need to shake it each time you use it. And I have found this is perfectly great for the summer months. You're going to use it up. I would use this up in less than a month, like with all our family and friends. And I do make kind of a number of these for family and friends to give them out as gifts for a natural mosquito repellent. So that's it, and then you just shake it each time you're going to go and spray yourself. And it's very effective. I've been using this mosquito repellent for years, and I wouldn't leave home in the summer months without it. So I hope you enjoy making it. It's super simple. Again, the ingredients are patchouli, cedarwood, Eucalyptus, citriodora, lemongrass, or citronella, any of those 3 kind of citronella-like essential oils, and geranium. And then you can add a little bit of peppermint just to give a little cooling sensation to the skin. So enjoy! Thank you so much.